A bad online review can easily break potential applicants' interest and leave a bad taste in your current residents' mouths. Keeping watch on online rental rating sites for good and bad comments and coming up with a strategy on how to deal with poor reviews should be a priority. Look over the online reviews you have. Whether you have comments that are positive or negative, you need to know where they exist and where they can be found. If you have no reviews, then it's important that you start requesting them now. Don't take bad comments personally. Whether the review mentions your name specifically or your property overall, try not to take the negativity personally. This is easier said than done, but by letting it go, you'll be able to act on the issues faster and more professionally. Try to fix a bad situation. With some finesse, a poor review can be turned into some good PR for your property. Because the review is online, you can not only resolve the issue behind the scenes, but also publicly show your professionalism. It's not easy and won't change every criticism, but it's important that you reach out professionally to everyone who comments about you online. Set up a review response system. You might already have a policy for responding to reviews, but now would be a good time to reevaluate those standards. Considering what trends are in both your good and bad comments is vital when coming up with an action plan. Ultimately, any consistent poor reviews won't go changed if you don't respond through action. For more information on how you can use online reviews to your advantage, click the link below to read the full article.